Right here, December 2nd, Realtors, SWBC Mortgage is excited to bring a group of professionals together to update you on down payment assistance in Minnesota.
We are bringing professionals from Minnesota Housing, the Minnesota Home Ownership Center, along with NeighborWorks, and these are vital programs for down payment assistance in Minnesota, along with the SWBC grant program that we'll do a deep dive on to give you all your needs.
So this isn't just a simple presentation. It's an opportunity for you to increase and sharpen your competitive edge. Let's turn those prospects that say they can't afford a home into lifelong clients.
Successful realtors know the power of connection. Enjoy an evening of networking and hors d'oeuvres compliments of premier title. Meet with other real estate professionals and industry leaders.
Mark your calendars for December 2nd from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. located at the Metropoint Center for Business in St. Louis Park.
Make a reservation today as there's limited spots available and they're going to fill fast.
Down payment power is waiting. Get your RSVP in.